No, press no.
Do you need help?
I did it. I did it.
Alright. John, come over here and pour the eggs in the bowl.
Yeah.
Carmen, dry that bowl out, okay?
What? Oh!
Just grab a towel or a paper towel or something.
Over what a mixer.
Yeah. Hold on. You forgot the eggs.
Carmen.
Here, John.
Eggs.
You go, Steven. Alright. Good job.
I open. Mix it again.
Good job. Alright, Carmen.
I have nothing to do.
I'm working on it. Open up the flour.
I will.
And then you guys, the two of you can start measuring out the dry ingredients, okay? So,
Flour.
right here. Learn
It
to,
was too far away. Now John's opening it.
John, I asked Carmen to. Okay, you can get the baking powder. Find the baking powder.
There it is.
No, that's the baking soda. The baking powder.
Right here.
No, right here.
Baking powder. Down there.
You need 1 spoon, and you can put it in that bowl.
Whoopsie.
John, it's alright, buddy. We'll clean it up. No, hold on. Make sure you level it out. No, wait. Do not put that all in. You have to smooth out the top. I'll show you a trick. Hold on. Alright, Steven, you would. Hold on here, buddy. Okay. Ouch! That's why you need woolly chairs and guys. That really hurt. Alright, so you want to make sure it's a smooth top, okay? Alright, Carmen.